Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to manually add an asset on Xero, especially if you're bringing it over from another accounting system. This is perfect for beginners using the Xero demo company or setting up assets for the first time. Let's get started. First, go to Accounting, Fixed Assets. This is where all your business assets are managed. Things like computers, vehicles, furniture, or equipment. To add a new asset manually, click New Asset. Now you'll see a form where you can enter the details of your asset. Fill in all the asset details, name, purchase date, price, and select an asset type. If you imported this from another accounting system, just match the same information here. Xero will automatically calculate depreciation based on your chosen method and rate. Once you're done, click Save, and your asset is now added to Xero. You can view it under Registered Assets, with all depreciation details ready to go. And that's it. You've just learned how to manually add an asset in Xero. This process is super useful when switching from another accounting system or when you just need to record new business assets. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more short and simple tutorials on Xero, accounting, and small business tools. Also, drop a comment if you want me to cover how to import multiple assets in bulk or set up depreciation rules automatically. I'd love to make that video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.